Overcomers! This is our second video. Today we're eating Big Chick chicken and wings. I'm not sure if you've heard of that. It's way down south here in the country. So let me let you know what we have. And we already said our prayers off camera. I have chicken wings. They're good and crispy. A little bit of potato salad and some onion rings. I usually get slaw and hot jalapenos, but they were out of it, so. Oh, and I have my Tabasco sauce. And Chelsea, what do you have?
I have a double cheeseburger and fries.
And she's drinking on a large lemonade that you can move over a little bit so they can see your burger. And then little mama back here, Chloe, has a chicken leg and some fries. And she's watching her movie, so. Yeah, so that's what we're having today, guys. Have you had Big Chick before? Have any of you ever heard of it? It's just like a little chicken joint. Oh, we did about potato salad. And I could do a lot better. But you know, they didn't have my slaw, so I was hungry. Well, they got a good chicken. Crunchy.
And it's crispy.
So how y'all been doing? I hope you had a good weekend. I did. Took my little one errand to Kroger and back. That's usually where I go. That's about as long as I can stand in that mask. It's gonna be nice and hot today. But of course I'm working from home, and no, I didn't go get my hair done this weekend still. I'm not really getting out there yet. But I plan on going for Mother's Day weekend. This will be the first Mother's Day without my own mama, so it'll be different. So what are y'all eating today for lunch? Please comment, like, and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. It's going to be a lot of fun. It won't be just this. We're going to have some conversations and some blogs going on. And hopefully some different type of eating, because in the country we have different eating. I cooked Chelsea some steak yesterday. In the air fryer.
That was so good.
They did a good job. I love my air fryer. So I should have recorded that for y'all. Time for a little Tabasco. I'm not, my spice game ain't up, but you know, I try.
So I have to be.
Really?
These onion rings would have been crispy. You must have been holding it because you're moving your leg. You're holding it. Saying hey to the overcomers. Because we overcome things over here on this channel, honey.
Go ahead.
That's good. It's really good. I've been watching a lot of mukbangs lately and decided to start a YouTube channel, but it won't be about that, just about that. But I love to watch B-Love and Nene and Trey and Lips and Prissy P. Pretty much all the Epic Empire and Sam's World. All of them. Good. I was ready to eat because I didn't eat no breakfast.
The burger is good.
It's a big one. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. In the spot. I don't like when they little too. I don't like them real big wings. I like when they little wings. Don't take much from me anyway. Mm-hmm.
So I need some more.
Okay.
You ain't got the meat out there. You becoming a chicken lover. I had stopped eating chicken, y'all, for over a year.
Huh?
I needed some more protein, even though I was eating vegan meat. I stopped eating red meat. About 8 years now. So, I ate fish, seafood. I had some crab leg yesterday. Mm-hmm.
Cool, you gonna eat your fries?
No chicken.
What you mean, no chicken? Mm-hmm. That's good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Hot out there?
Hmm.
You got hot? Mm-hmm.
It has.
Supposed to be like 80-something degrees here. I'm still glad, praising God, that we work from home.
Hot sauce on fry. Too close, she don't make good fry. Oh, she don't want them. She want chicken.
Well, she eating that chicken.
You know, she down the first.
Mm-hmm. Mm. People on YouTube been making JJ look so good. I sure want to try me some JJ.
Oh, yes.
You have to drive up to JJ's Chicken and Wings. See what it's hitting right. Mm-hmm. Ooh, stomach.
Let's see, too. Lemonade is the bomb.
I got water over there on my desk. Try to get my water. Who's drinking all the water that they need to drink? I get to about 4 or 5 bottles, but ooh, no, it's so filling. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
But
They're good.
burger was delicious.
Mm-hmm. Really, you downed it.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-mm. And you got your chicken.
Oh, eating the crunchy stuff off the shit down left on her. So it crunchy. They made some crispy chicken today.
They did. They didn't make no chicken onion ring though. No crispy onion ring. Mm-mm.
But chicken good though.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Real good.
Happy hour here soon.
Happy hour. After my job.
Ooh, excuse me. Not me. Off all week.
Woo!
Oh, that was good.
How many of y'all that unemployment is making lazy? Because some of y'all it is, I know. Glad you're getting it, though. I'm glad you're getting it, if you getting it. And I'm praising
You
God to
never-
have my job.
Heard a big chick.
Try it.
You need to go.
That's some good chicken now. Crispy, good
I
chicken.
don't know what she gonna do to you.
They got good slaw, too, depending on which one you go to, but it's good. I'm super full now. I could really get me a nap. So, y'all, what do y'all like to see people cook? You like to see the cooking shows, or you want to, have us have fast food? Because I don't do it that often. I'll be cooking. Woo.
All these big pieces of chicken.
Y'all see how big the chicken look? It's crispy, too. They got good chicken.
Oh, man, it's big.
Good chicken.
Let's hit my fries.
I've been shopping more online. Just ordering stuff because nothing's open. Even the people that been authorized to open. You got to stay outside, or 10 or less people can go in there. And that's including employees, so I don't want to go anyway. It's good?
I can get it.
It's good, Chloe? Okay.
I'm not gonna eat that much chicken.
Must have been hungry.
It's a lot of something. You know.
Yeah, so we just want to come on here real quick and let y'all know what we were eating for lunch. And see what you were eating for lunch and what you want to see us eat next. Now, tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, y'all. We doing tacos, and I might do some chicken and cheese quesadillas. So I'll video that tomorrow. Fixing the tacos. Doing our own little Cinco de Mayo. And we'll eat that. So, yeah, I'll definitely take that tomorrow with us eating that. I was going to do like fajitas, but I was like, I'm going to do tacos. And we got cheese taco shells, and we found the lime. And then we got regular. I couldn't find the Dorito ones. Even though I tried at Taco Bell and I wasn't impressed. So, yeah, we're going to cook that tomorrow. So, I will tape that tomorrow, what we do. And I try not to stay before y'all long, just want to make sure I give you, something good to look at. She still don't want to eat. We don't down food. It's time for me to get on some water now. No, I can't do them. I can't do them onion rings and that potato, so they could have kept that. I wanted my slaw and my jalapeno pepper.
Oh.
So I guess I need to start buying some, just keeping some jalapeno peppers.
Well, he was,
Hmm?
the person who made the potato salad.
Oh, well. It isn't good. I do better than making my own. That's whenever I want it, because I try not to do potatoes. So just chose something. But make sure you guys comment, like, and share this video. Please subscribe to me. Trying to, trying to get something going on this YouTube channel. Trying to make it something. So, and then, like I said, we're going to be a little bit more. It's just quick because I'm on my lunch break, but I'll definitely be doing more because I should have showed y'all them out there slipping and sliding the other day, which is why Chelsea is hurting right now. Out there sliding on her stomach. Now it's hard for her to move, y'all. So that would have been hilarious. I need to show y'all that. Yeah. That would have been a sight to see. And we was outside, having our own little quarantine party.
Being good.
Yeah, we were being good. So, what does that look for? Okay. So, yeah.
I'm going outside and do it again.
No, not right now. Girl, paying for it.
No, go on that damn jump and slide down that slip and slide.
Something in my stomach.
You be all right.
Ooh.
Toy, you had a good time, didn't you? That's right.
Oh, yeah, sure. I was pushing you down there.
Yeah, so anyway, y'all, I ain't gonna hold you. Just wanted to come on in and give you a quick little video of what we were eating and see, have you heard of Big Chick before? And if you have, try it out if you haven't, because we got some good eating. Now, granted, you know, greasy food ain't good to eat often, but you can have a little treat sometimes. So, yeah, y'all enjoy that. Oh, look at that light got my head shining. Right, I ain't put on the ring light. Okay, but guys, I will come to you again later on today, if not tomorrow, when I make the tacos for Cinco de Mayo. I will be videoing my tacos, us making them and eating them. And, you know, you just have a day of us in here having a little fiesta. So, until next time, please take care of yourself. Make sure that you stay safe, that you keep your mask on, and that, you know, stay healthy. Comment, subscribe, comment, like this video, share. And I'll see y'all again tonight or tomorrow. I appreciate y'all. I love you guys. See you later, overcomers. Right.